strategy. Vijay consulting legal experts in a huddle with the TVK Netas. And what will be his next line of action will be interesting to see, because some of his closest aides have been booked already, and Dharani is getting us this scoop. Dharani, what are the details? Vijay in a huddle, some of his close associates have also been booked by the police officials. What are the details? What is going to be the next step of Vijay?
Well, we're given to understand through sources that around 2 hours back, Vijay held an online meeting with top functionaries of TVK and also legal experts. And at the end of this meeting, Vijay's party is contemplating about approaching the Madras High Court. Vijay's party is likely to seek an independent probe into this matter from an independent investigative agency. That is what they're going to seek as a prayer in the Madras High Court, and this petition might be filed very soon from TVK is what one can understand. Apart from that, Vijay is supposed to travel to Vellore and Ranipet districts of Tamil Nadu next week, that is the coming Saturday. But in light of this tragedy, in light of 39 people losing their lives in Karur, now we're given to understand through sources that Vijay is likely to postpone this plan. Vijay is likely to make a pause of this plan. He will be postponing his next week's campaign. Next week, TVK will not be having any campaign in light of the past Saturday tragedy is what one can understand from sources. And also there is one more huge development in connection with this particular news. Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi has sought explanation from the state government of Tamil Nadu. In fact, the governor is seeking a report from the Chief Minister's office about the stampede and how these deaths happened, what triggered the stampede, whether this was avoidable or not, whether this can be termed as a man-made stampede or not. Is there any fault from the side of the police department? Did the police department, act lethargically in any way throughout this rally is what the governor is seeking to know at the moment, and this report will be submitted to Governor R.N. Ravi by Tamil Nadu government in a few days.
Okay, all right. So a report is going to be submitted in this regard. The governor has sought details of what actually led to this stampede, multiple lives being lost, the death toll now being confirmed at 39. There are many others who are still battling for life in the hospitals, and the questions still remain. As we are currently reporting from the site as well, as we told you, a lot of activity here as well. Political leaders also continue to come in as well. But the questions still remain on the same. So Dharani, I'll come back to you for that update on what